How to see Google account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can see Google account password. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on Google. Now here in this section you can simply tap on the side arrow which you can see beside your email. So here you can simply select which account password you need from here, and here once you have selected it, just tap on all services tab which can be seen at the top. And now here simply scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as autofill with Google. And now here in this section simply tap on Google Password Manager of that particular mail. And now here in this section you simply have to scroll down and find the google.com. And now here in this section you simply have to verify by entering your password, and once verified, in this section you can see all the saved password of the Google account. So here if you want to know, you can simply tap on the eye icon to see your password, and that's it. That's how you can see Google account password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.